could have got away, don't be for you catching me. You remember that. You remember that all day. You killed me. You remember that. You killed me. Niggas like you just prove what the Peckerwoods say. We're just beasts, willing to do anything, kill each other. No mind, no feelings.
Shut up, nigger.
Leastwise, I ain't gonna die like you gonna die. Like a slave. I ain't giving no lifetime of misery and sweat to this Peckerwood. I'd rather die than be a slave. You Peckerwood, that's right. You Peckerwoods was oppressed in your own land. We was free. And you brought us here, in chains. Well, now we here, and you just better know, this is just as much our land as it is yours. And after you hang me, kiss my ass.